Hello friends, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will show you how you can use any icon in your React project. So I will show you how you can do this. Simply you have to install a package, a React icon package. So what you need to do, simply go to Google and simply search React icons. So if the first link that appears is GitHub pages React icons. So simply click on React icons. So this is the package or library for React icons. Here there are lots of icons. You can use any other icon, like whether it is a bootstrap icon, whether it is font awesome 5 icon, font awesome 6 icon, whether it is game icons. There are lots of icons. Any icon that you need to use in your project, you can find it here and you can simply use it. Okay, what you need to do, simply install this library in your React project. So simply go to home and simply scroll down and simply run this command to install this package in your React project. Okay, simply copy it and simply run this command. So I will suggest, before starting your React project, first install this React icon package in your project and then start your project. Otherwise it will not work. You have to restart your React project to make this work. Okay, so simply first install this React icon package, run this command, and once it is installed, once it is completed, you can use any icon that you want to use. It's installed successfully. So now I can run my React icons library. Here you can see there are many icons. Let's say I want to use any bootstrap icon. So simply click on this and search the icon that you want to use. Let's say I want to use BS Android icon. Okay, simply click on this and simply import this. Okay, and simply use it. Okay, so first I have to import this in my React page where I want to use it. Okay, let's say I want to use it in my app.js file. So simply import this, and once I imported this, simply use it. Simply use this component. So let's say here I want to use, so simply copy it and simply go to your React project. Okay, so you can see it's working. You are able to use this icon. You can use any other icon. You can visit this site. There are many icons. Let's say I want to use a heart icon. So when I search, it is showing me the icon related to heart. Let's say heartbeat. So simply click on this, simply import this, and simply use this component to use this icon. Okay, so here you can see it's working. You are able to use the icon. The size is small, so you can also increase, you can also provide the font size for this icon accordingly. Okay, let's say I provide 40, font size equal 40. So here you can see the size has increased. I can also provide font size for this. Let's say font size 50. Save it, and you can see you are able to use the icons. Okay, so here you can visit this. There are many icons. There are lots of icons, I think more than needed. Okay, you can find every icon here. So simply use it. What you need to do, simply install this package in your React project and simply use it. So I hope you are also able to use the icon in your React project. If you are still facing any problem regarding this, so simply comment in the comment section of the video. I will read each and every comment and try to help you as soon as possible. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.